Well, well, well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beards Diaries. Before I forget, if you haven't checked out the video that I made on the Beard Struggles website, please do me a favor and check that out. I'm making videos for them with some helpful beard tips. And again, I've done one and it's 5 tips in regard to growing a flourishing beard. So that was the first one. Please let me know what you want to see. I've asked this before and I appreciate all the feedback that I've already received. So yeah, link to that video is going to be in the description box below. Let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see, please. We are finally going to do a little walkthrough slash beard care slash maintenance because it's been a while. I've definitely been caught up with going into the mountains and snowboarding. So I've been letting the beard grow out and not maintaining it because, for one, it's extra protection against the environmental variables such as the cold weather, wind chill factor, yada, yada, yada. That, I've just been lazy. And coming up in a couple weeks, we are heading out to Bali. So I definitely want to do a little upkeep. And now I mention this because it doesn't take a long time and there aren't very many steps into really improving the overall presentation of your beard. If you are letting your beard grow out, or even if you're not, just simply trimming up on the side of the beard, underneath, in your hairline, along with your cheek line, can make a major, can have a major impact on your overall presentation to where you don't look lazy. You look like you kind of care about your presentation without trying too hard. And now going into trying too hard, when I do my cheek line, generally speaking, when I do my cheek line, I don't line it up in hardcore angles because I don't like looking like I try too hard. So I keep everything very subtle. So as you can see with my cheek lines right now, there isn't a whole lot going on. I did clean them up today and we'll be going over that shortly. But again, subtle. And that goes into, it's a matter of preference. That's my preference. It may not be your preference, but I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, but this is how I do it. So again, cheek line, and I do the side of the neckline, and I trim underneath my beard. And sometimes I will curve underneath the beard to where it's not a hard angle. But today I didn't do a curve to it. I kept it really simple, straight down and straight across underneath. In addition to that, I also took a little bit of the outliers, the outlying hairs that were just super random. I clipped those down, and when you do that, it does again help with the overall presentation of your beard. Not only does it clean it up, but it also makes it look thicker, because when you get those few scraggly hairs, your beard, even though it has that extra length, it looks thin. So what I do when I am growing out my beard, I make sure that it's growing out at the same length. That way it still has that fullness to it. And again, this is the right way to do it. This is just how I do it. And hopefully it helps you out in deciding how you want to maintain your beard or how you want to let your beard grow out. Okay, off we go to the trim that I did today. Let's rewind to the beginning.
As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.